what is impossible? Nothing. Anything is possible. If you can think it inside your brain, it can come to life. It doesn't matter the color of your skin. It doesn't matter where you were born. It doesn't matter the limits of your family. The only thing that matters is you. Anything is possible. Winning is simply a mindset. A mindset, however, that is only developed by outstanding individuals. It's not about talent, but effort. Winning is not some special reward only reserved for the lucky among us. Winning is a reward you receive when you have put in the hard work, when no one is watching. It only takes one moment to decide you are going to be a winner. One moment is all it takes. It only takes one moment to make a decision. One moment to say, no, never again. Never again will I settle. Never again will I accept anything but first place. If you put 100% in, today is the day you do it. Today is the day you succeed. Today is the day you prevail. And you reach that moment in your life when you become that person that others can look to say, he went through it, she went through it, and I can do it. We look up to successful individuals thinking they are special, but they are not. They are just like you, but they look at things differently. You got that inside of you too. Get it to come out, and the only way to do it is to take one step. You take one step forward. You take one step forward towards your goal. You take one step forward towards your dream. Take one step forward. Not just today, but every day. Fight back every day. Today and every other day. Nothing beats hard work. Not today or any other day. I know some of you are tired of being victims, tired of being told you can't achieve your dreams, you won't achieve your goals, that the things in life you want to do, you can't do, that the things you want in life are unreachable. I know you are tired of hearing all this. Fight back! Fight back for what you believe in! Fight back for what you want to achieve! Fight for your dreams! Fight for your goals! Fight for your family! Fight for your friends. Make sure you fight back. Never be afraid to take risk in life. Never be afraid to take risk going after what you really want. You may fail, but failure going after your dreams is nothing compared to the failure that is settling for a life that you don't want. It's never too late to try again. It's never too late to decide what you want out of your life. It's never too late to commit to make this day, this very day, the best of your life. It's never too late, but only if you want to change. Do you want to change? Do you want more out of your life? If the answer is yes, then all it takes your commitment, your courage, and your desire to be better. Most people don't change because they lack courage, because they fear the unknown, they fear failure. But you are different. You have the courage to try. Don't fear failure. Nobody is going to make your dream a reality. That's up to you. That's why you can't give up. This is your dream and you are capable. You are more than capable. Never settle for less than your worth. Success is not just about the money, it's about the achievements. It's about doing something that others doubted. One day, life will flash before your eyes. Make sure it's worth watching. When we look back into our life, we will all wonder, did my life mean anything? Did my life mean anything to this world? Did I have an impact on anyone else's life? Was I loved? Who has loved you? Tell them now. Today is the day, the first day of the rest of your life. Make your life matter. Live every moment with passion. Go chase your dreams. What are you waiting for? Don't take this magical thing called life for granted. You never know when it will be your last chance. You got to be a fighter from inside before you win the game outside. Make good choices today so you can have no regrets tomorrow. Be brave today so you have no regrets tomorrow. Live full today so you have no regrets tomorrow. No more regrets, no turning back. I am all in for my goals, all in for my dreams. is not an option. Choose a tough road. Take risks. Wake up. Do you think you have what it takes? Are you going to give up? Or have you got some fight left in you?